Okay, man. I think this is what, game 4? We ain't playing around. They shuffle the stages around every now and then. Oh, this controller is terrible for this game. I'm using a PS4 controller. Yeah, they changed this. Ooh, the stages. There's no way it was this easy. Oh, ah! Oh, I gotta stop fooling around. It's not a speed run. Think it through, man. Think it through. Think it through. Don't go there. I can't. What? There are 2 bishops. They're blocking the way. This game's broken. I have nowhere to go. Right? I can't step on. Oh, those are on the white squares. Okay. Yeah. What the heck? So don't step on the white squares. Oh, I should have went around. Oh, okay. I know what to do. I just gotta calmly do it. Gotta go all the way around. Are these randomly generated or what? I can't even tell, man. I gotta go around this pond. Yeah, that one was a lot easier than the last one for some reason. The other stage just... I left my body, I think. I'm back though. I'm back. This one! So I gotta go right up to him. Don't be afraid. You lose. Level complete. So the secret to these knights is just get right in their face, man, and then do a straight line away. Hold on a second. He got me last time down there. Holy cow, dude. Man, that was an intimidating night. Intimidating. 1 life left. Come on, we can stay alive as long as we don't try to speed run or anything. Easy, easy. Easy. Why am I playing this game, man? Why am I playing this game?